Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. After kind of a small moderate week, how this week is going to be, what will be the impacts of this corona and how this China and India border are going to impact our Nifty and Bank Nifty movement for this week. All these things will be discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment. Nifty on Friday, it was too much of consolidation mode. Like you can see, it was a kind of small gap up opening, but it was in the range of 10,620 to 10,570. So just a swing of around 60 points throughout the day. There is no major movement. So just one swing and then second swing and then closed pretty much into the major rejection area of 10,600. So Nifty, as I discussed, Nifty is having a major rejection zone in the range of 10,600 to 700 levels. So for further movement, Nifty has to cross this 10,700 mark. So that is the kind of short-term trend is going to be, or at least it has to close above this 10,650 to 10,680 range to have a kind of very good positive momentum in the future. So for tomorrow also the level is going to be the same. If it is about 10,600, we can go for call option of 10,600 call option, and for a target of 10,700 to 750 level will be the target on the upper side, and the stop loss for the same will be 10,550. Whenever it touches the 10,550 zone, you can exit the call option side, and if it is below 10,600 level, you can execute put option 10,600 put option with a stop of around 10,650 on the higher side. Target will be 10,500 to 10,450 will be the target on the downside. And let us have a look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty on a 5-minute chart, it is kind of underperforming, pretty much underperforming when you compare with Nifty. So a small gap up opening and then consolidation, and after which it just faced a kind of very big resistance at this 22,000 mark. So it tried to come up to this 22,000 mark and then went down, and then again a kind of some pullback and then a rejection. It's a kind of double top at this point. You can see this wick rejection, a beautiful wick rejection which pushed the Bank Nifty downwards to a level of 21,600 to 800 to 700 mark, and close to somewhere in the 21,800 level. So tomorrow it's going to be like a pretty much down performing, because banks are under very much pressure, because the rates are getting reduced, and the NPAs are increasing day by day. So all the banks are under tremendous pressure, which will definitely push the Bank Nifty downward. So with that in mind, so the Friday's performance was like very much neutral, because it was a kind of sideways day. So you can see both ways it was a kind of very nominal profit. So I would consider that as a kind of no loss no profit day on the recommendations. Like if you have if you are doing a kind of very good kind of daily trade, kind of live trading, so you might have captured at least this and this downfall pretty easily, because by taking this one with a kind of stop loss of this day high might have given you a very good kind of profit. So these are all some of the levels which you might have captured, and one more positive level came up during this time. So 1 and 2 was able 2 levels were able to capture. And what is there for tomorrow, as discussed in the graph chart, 10,600 call option. If it is about 10,600 for a target of 10,700 to 750, don't expect much, and if it is above 10,700, we can have a positive momentum throughout the day. Otherwise it is going to be like a downward trend. And if it is below 10,600, already SGX is below 10,600, so hoping that will have an impact, and tomorrow morning session will be a major thing to look at. So 10,600 put option is a wise choice for tomorrow, because considering the resistance at 10,650 to 700 level, I would suggest to go with 10,600 put option for a target of 10,500 to 450 levels with a stop of 10,650. And on the Bank Nifty side, we can straight away execute we can straight away execute 21,900 put option as long as it is below 21,900 for a target of 21,700 to 600, and maybe major resistance will be at 21,500. Stop loss will be 21,900 to 950. Whenever it touches that 21,900 to 950 level, you can execute your put option. And on the other side, if it is above 21,900, you can straight away execute 21,900 call option for a target of 22,200 to 300 levels. Stop loss will be 21,800. Okay, all the very best and have a profitable and beautiful week ahead. Thanks very much. Bye.